the first tool I'd like to talk about is the 9800 and the changes that we've made to it to adapt to the corn-on-corn practices and the desire for producers to get a better handle on disease and insect control. And of course, by burying more of the residue, incorporating more of it, we can help to control some of the diseases a little better. So we've changed the front disc to a compound angle. It actually reduced the horsepower requirement, and it allows us to bury probably 85 to 90% of a 200 bushel crop. So that's a adaptation that we've introduced to the market this fall, and it's in full production now. The other tool we should talk about is the RTS heavy-duty tools and the anhydrous and dry fertilizer options for that tool. We can hook the RTS up to the Salford air carts that deliver dry fertilizer, and also pull an anhydrous tank behind that, so you can put down dry fertilizer in the fall, part of your fertilizer maintenance package, plus fall applied or spring applied anhydrous as well. So it's a very versatile, multi-use tool. The really neat thing about it is you can flip the shanks up. You can convert a 30-foot machine in about 12 minutes back to a surface tillage residue management machine for seedbed preparation. So changing from fertilizer applicator or a coulter chisel machine is a quick change back to seedbed preparation. I'd like to talk a little bit about the seeding line. We've added some new products to that line for the west. Most notably a cultivator that has double disc row units mounted on the back. That has a lot of applications out in the west where they want some tillage for weed control, but put a minimum amount and then cut down the number of passes by adding the double disc row units right to the back. So it's a one-pass tillage and seeding. It's meant for the plain soils. The double disc drills also we've kind of targeted the west with those in larger sizes, and we have plans on the drawing board now for 70 feet of no-till double disc drill and triple tank air carts with up to 505 bushel of carrying capacity. We're seeing more and more new technologies being adopted, and it's technology that was available, but it was expensive. Prices have dropped, the costs of that have come down. Probably the biggest limiting factor on the adaptation was just the lack of knowledge and a certain amount of suspicion about reliability, and now we're seeing quite a large number of agronomy companies springing up that are getting involved in helping farmers adapt this technology to our equipment. And for example, the variable rate and prescription application of seed and fertilizer can be adapted quite easily to our air delivery systems, and lots of companies to choose from now, whereas a few years ago there weren't near as many choices. So that there's still this technology sort of rush, and whether it's for better or for worse, time will tell. I'm kind of old school. I still think life is about people, and it seems like we're eliminating people from the equation. So I guess in the future somebody will look back and say, yeah, he was right. We're expanding again. We've added 54,000 square feet that will be complete this fall, and that will allow us to streamline our production systems. It will give the faster flow through on the factory floor, and just improved working conditions, faster delivery times. It's going to make quite a positive change for us.